To add a shake effect in Premiere Pro, first select your clip in the timeline. Open the Effects panel, search for Transform, and drag it onto your clip. In the Effect Controls panel, scroll to the Transform section. Move the playhead to where you want the shake to begin, then click the stopwatch next to position to create a keyframe. Move forward one frame by pressing the right arrow key and slightly adjust the X value to shift the clip to the right. Move ahead another frame, reset the X position and shift it in the opposite direction. Repeat the process with the Y position, moving it up and then down on alternate frames. Once you've created these 4 keyframes, copy them by pressing Ctrl+C, move ahead a frame, and paste them. Repeat this as many times as needed to extend the effect. To smooth out the movement, highlight all keyframes, right-click, and select Temporal Interpolation, and then ease in. For a natural motion blur, uncheck Use Composition Shutter Angle and set it to 180. And that is it. Play your video to look at your shake effect. That's all you need to create a quick and effective shake effect in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.